Welcome to 10489 Beutel Road. This beautiful custom estate sits on over 5 acres and offers stunning views of the Willamette River and Oregon Golf Club. With over 4,500 square feet, dual master suites, a private library, and bonus theater room, there is an abundance of comfort throughout. The upstairs master bedroom has heated travertine tile floors, a Bain Ultra air tub, double sinks, and a large walk-in shower with dual shower heads. You'll find gleaming cherry hardwoods and surround sound throughout, while the fully remodeled kitchen featuring 2 ovens, a 6-burner gas range, Bosch dishwasher, and the butler's pantry are sure to be any chef's delight. Enjoy complete serenity from one of the 2 covered porches, or while on the new deck overlooking the expansive views. For more information on this beautiful property, contact Kim Galatly at 503-380-8285